BCom Honours with Academic Support of NSE Academy. National Stock Exchange conduct financial education through NSE Academy to develop a new generation investors. They provide an introduction to the Indian capital markets and help to develop new market professionals. In Academic Support of NSE Academy, KR Mangalam University offers next generation BCom Honours with specialization in capital markets. An opportunity to learn comprehensive contemporary financial skills and techniques practiced in the financial markets. The curriculum is designed to help you understand the financial markets, macroeconomics in financial markets, banking in India, equity research and mutual funds, wealth management, financial derivatives, technical analysis, and capital markets operations. The BCom Honours program with Academic Support of NSE Academy at KRMU is delivered with new age pedagogy using N-Smart software, virtual money, case studies and real-life projects to bridge the skill deficit gap and prepare the new generation for exciting opportunities in investment banking and equity research. In addition, KRMU offers specialization in accounts and finance, banking and insurance, and taxation. The 3-year course will sharpen skills in the financial domain and give a competitive edge with an industry-aligned curriculum designed by NSE Academy. Features of the program: extensive industrial exposure in the capital markets, project-based and experimental learning, industrial training, mentorship by NSE Academy experts, life project opportunities at N-Smart Lab leading to placement in your dream company, job opportunities in banking institutions, assets management companies, consulting firms, job opportunities as analyst equity, portfolio manager, risk manager, etc. Take control of your career today and open the door of global career opportunities. Enroll today at www.krmangalam.edu.in or call us at 011 4888 4888.